Okay, your iPhone 5 probably will be working on other models also. You forgot your password, don't know how to unlock it. Have to connect it to computer. Okay, and open your iTunes. Same time, hold it your power and home button. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Have to hold it. Alright, release your power button when Apple logo show up and keep holding your home button. Okay, it's showing iTunes connection. Let's see on the phone. And on the iTunes you can see we got options right now. You can update and restore. We need to restore to erase that old password. Click restore and it's restore and update. Okay, restore update. Okay, and right now it's showing on iTunes extracting software, or when iTunes extracts software and it will update and restore automatically to factory settings your iPhone, and iPhone code will be erased. It will be like brand new phone from factory. Nice and easy and fast. Thank you for looking. Good luck.